Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 9th of April 2025. In today's top renewable energy news, June 25th marks the Spanish government's deadline for the thousands of renewable energy projects that requested permits to connect to the grid and begin producing electricity. These projects requested interconnection permits from Red Electrica in 2020. If the projects aren't available by the June deadline, they risk losing their licenses. It is estimated that more than 10,000 megawatts may be affected in Spain, with a total commercial value of more than 4 billion euros. Chinese wind turbine maker Goldwind Science and Technology has attacked an EU foreign subsidies probe as lacking transparency and being excessive in length and scope. Goldwind aired their concerns in comments on future guidelines setting out how the EU will apply the foreign subsidies regulation. The U.S. Chamber of Commerce's submission also warned that the FSR could be weaponized in a trade war. Goldwind has aspirations to expand in Western Europe, but is accused of undercutting other OEMs. Galata Wind Energy, a subsidiary of Doğan Holding, has announced that a share purchase agreement was signed on April 8, 2025, for two companies in Italy. The holding company of the Palmori Wind Farm and the Troia Wind Farm were included in the deal. The projects are expected to make a significant contribution to Galata Wind's overseas investment vision of putting 300 megawatts of capacity into operation and its goal of becoming a global player. A drastic shift in both U.S. energy and trade policies is likely to encourage developing countries to strengthen their domestic energy infrastructure. This will create opportunities for investment firms that have a presence in those markets. The current president has made bolstering the U.S. oil and gas industry an important piece of his second-term agenda. He has also openly challenged incentives for clean energy projects created during the Biden administration. More recently, tariffs imposed by the president also threatened to disrupt global trade, which has led many investors to redirect investments to other countries. The uncertainty of the U.S. market growth and unfavorable conditions for investments is driving away billions of foreign investment earmarked for the U.S. The U.S. wants wind turbine factories currently based in Europe to relocate there, but a Danish trade group says the time isn't right. With uncertainty on tariffs, an unfavorable environment for investments, and the U.S. president's heavy-handed bullying to try and domesticate foreign production, companies and governments are looking at ways to increase their existing manufacturing footprint and shore up their global supply chains. The volatility of tariffs being imposed has made the U.S. market less attractive, and the hostility towards wind energy has led many European companies to reevaluate their commitment to the market. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.